Hello, art friends. It's me, Beau, and today I have something extra sweet to share with you. Welcome to our brand new Academy tutorial, Beau and Boo Bears with Honey Jar. Just look at us, two adorable bear cubs, Beau and Boo, sharing their favorite treat. Doesn't it make you want to grab a cookie and a little honey and paint along? In this 12 by 16-inch painting, you'll learn how to capture fluffy fur, sparkling eyes, and that golden gooey honey. Ginger will show you step by step how to bring Beau and Boo to life, from their soft ears to their curious paws. And don't worry, this is a box of cookie level tutorial, which means it's just the right amount of challenge for artists who want to grow their skills, but still have lots of fun along the way. You'll discover tips for blending fur, painting shiny glass, and making those cookies look good enough to eat. Plus, Ginger will share her favorite tricks for creating warmth and coziness in your backgrounds. And between you and me, painting with a little honey snack nearby makes the whole experience even sweeter. So, grab your brushes, set up your paints, and join Ginger for Beau and Boo Bears with Honey Jar. Whether you're painting for yourself or as a gift, you'll finish with a piece that's full of heart and maybe a little honey, too. Available today for our pink, red, and purple members, or as a downloadable for everyone. Let's make some very beautiful art together. See you in the studio.